I didn't even get a look at your face yet, bud. Your picture's sitting on a roll call table right now. Okay.
The episode for today is about a man named Kyle Henderson. On May the 18th, 2023, just after midnight, Mr. Henderson was caught breaking into cars by the owner. He was detained by the owner and a couple of his friends until police arrived.
I promise you act up to the guy. Please.
He's fine.
Okay.
I can't hear the address. What is it?
Stop.
Please.
Please stop, bro. Don't ask me. Please.
What's going on there? 220 North Wayne.
Somebody was in hot, bro. Somebody was in my mom's car.
I'm sorry. I was just fucking wrong. I need you now. Please, let me go. Point out here. Stop.
Okay, does anyone have any weapons?
Please.
I don't know.
Please.
Are you physically fighting with them?
Please. Yes.
During the investigation, officers realized Mr. Henderson had warrants for his arrest, and his picture was actually placed on their roll call table as a result of those warrants. The warrants that Mr. Henderson had at the time of his arrest were 2 counts of breaking and entering, 1 count of attempted burglary, 1 count of aggravated robbery with a firearm, 2 cases of robbery with a firearm, and 1 case of weapons under disability, which in Ohio means he was a felon caught with a firearm. Those cases were all lumped together, and he was sentenced to a grand total of 12 months in prison. I hope you enjoy this video.
I don't know what he's got on him or not.
You'll
That's my mom's car. We came out and
You'll have a nice place to sleep tonight.
Put his hand behind your back. If you reach for anything, I'm trying to dump you in your face. You understand me?
I did not
Palms together.
anybody. I promise you I didn't. I've been sleeping on the street. I'm just trying to get off the street, man. I wasn't aggressive. I didn't swing on him.
Shut your mouth. Hold on.
Sir, I didn't. Okay. Sorry, man. I was just trying to get off
Still
the
for a second, bud.
Here's the bag.
Okay.
I'm
Hey,
homeless.
whose car? Whose car?
That one right there.
Who's the caller?
Walk over here.
Yes,
Did
sir.
you call?
I'm sorry, man. I was just trying to get off the street, man. I promise you I didn't. I've been sleeping on the street. I was just trying to get off the streets, man. I wasn't aggressive. I didn't swing on him.
Shut your mouth. Hold on.
Sir, I didn't.
Hey, just relax. Stop
Okay.
talking.
I'm sorry, man. I was just trying to get off
Still
the
for a second, bud.
streets.
Here's his other stuff over here.
It's the bag.
Okay.
I'm
Hey,
homeless.
whose car? Whose car?
That one right there.
Who's the caller?
My wife's car.
Walk over here.
Okay,
Yes,
did
sir.
you call?
Yeah, I called. My son did.
Okay.
I was coming out and I seen something like a cigarette or a lighter or something. And I stopped and I came right here and I was looking, but I didn't see it. My dad went to walk back in. I opened the door and he
He jumped out at him.
jumped out at me.
He had a bag right here.
Was
This
he
is
was
bag.
he in the car when
Yeah,
you
he
came
was
out?
sitting
Okay.
in the car.
He had the door shut. We couldn't see him until he opened the door.
I opened the car
Like in
door
the-
and he
in the
came
back
straight
here?
out
That's
at
why I
me.
told you to wait, so I grabbed the flashlight.
Okay.
That was with him. That's his bag on the
Okay.
ground.
Okay. Have you gone through the car yet?
No.
No,
Okay.
I
He
honestly.
was fighting us.
Okay. Explain fighting.
He was.
Well,
trying
here
to-
we had him here struggle. We had him holding, and we let off him a little bit to just to kind of bring it down. And he took a swing on me. We got him around towards the other side of the car because he tried to run. We grabbed him, put him up against the car again, and we finally ended up wrestling him over here to my other car, and I just wouldn't let him go then.
Good. Okay. What's your name?
Larry.
What are you guys wanting done?
I mean,
Because it ultimately falls on the victim.
I'm
Obviously,
thinking
a
about-
property crime falls on the victims.
Yeah, because I don't know if anything's missing or if it's in his bag or what, but I mean, he didn't make good contact. He swung on me though. I ducked it, and just got under his arm and
Yeah,
wrestled
but
him.
he hit me in my jaw, but I
Like,
just
again, those are both victim crimes. Like you need to
Right.
be victims if you want something done.
Do we want to press charges, or
If-
what are you going to do with him if we
If
don't?
if you press charges, honestly, in Franklin County, in terms of like the violent part of things, the assault, there's not much we can do in terms of assault with in Franklin County. Now, all the things involved, yeah, they probably take you to jail and all of that for sure. In terms of the property, that's up to if you tore anything up, if you think it reaches criminal damaging, if you think it reaches, you know what I mean? Like,
Right.
ultimately, it falls on what you guys want as the victims. Now, we can get your stuff back and then call it a day. We can do a report. We can refer you to the prosecutor. So if you would like to press charges, you can, or we can handle it our own way.
Will we take him out of here tonight?
We'll take him out of here tonight, no matter what.
okay.
Get him
That makes
out of here.
sense.
I really don't. I mean,
I don't feel
unless
like dealing
unless
with
I know
courts and
something's
stuff.
damaged by when my wife checks it tomorrow.
You just want to get your stuff back and put it in there. Is that kind of what you're thinking?
Yeah.
We'll still take a report. We'll still put his information in there. We'll still give you the number for the report so that if you do decide you want to press charges, you can go to the prosecutors tomorrow. That way you have a chance to talk to your wife too.
Gotcha.
Does that make sense?
Yeah, that's what I want to do.
What about you with the elbow? Again,
works with me.
it's completely up to you. I'm not trying to talk you guys into or out of anything.
We're a couple of tough guys. I think we can handle a little
Yeah,
bit.
Good
was
damn
just-
job for what you did.
It was startling. I mean,
Well,
I
yeah, someone's
opened the
breaking
door
your
and
shit. Absolutely.
I'm just glad he didn't have
It's
nothing.
your stuff. Like, you know what I mean? At the end of the day.
Yeah.
He started reaching in his pockets. That's why we was
Oh,
keeping
yeah.
his
No,
arms
protect
away.
your property, protect yourselves.
Yeah, because
So-
when I was holding him, he kept reaching. I told them, I said, he's reaching, grab his arm.
My adrenaline's up right now.
Yeah.
Ooh, I'm shaking. Man, I'm like,
Stand right there.
Yes, sir. I don't have any weapons or anything on me.
Anything's been stab, stick, poke, or
No, I've got a pipe on me.
okay. We're broken.
It probably is. I swear, man, I'm just homeless, man.
out here.
It's hard out here.
I'll take care of my today real quick.
Let's see right there for me.
Yes, sir. Oh, shit.
Can you grab that for me real quick? I'm just gonna, or you got gloves on? Just finish going through that stuff for me.
Sorry, man.
Social name?
Kyle Henderson.
Henderson.
Huh? Becky.
Yeah.
What's that? Huh?
Oh.
Kyle Henderson.
Yeah.
What
I
happened?
didn't even see your face. You got warrants, bud.
I got warrants.
Yeah.
For what?
Burglary, if I remember right. What's your day of birth? I didn't even get a look at your face yet, bud. Your picture's sitting on a roll call table right now. Okay. Go ahead and stand up for me.
Yes, sir.
I'm gonna double check on these warrants. I'll let you know if they're good or not. Okay, but for now, you're gonna sit in the back of my cruiser while we find out.
Yes, sir.
You got a history of running or something?
Nah.
No? They usually don't put people on our table unless they do.
Nah.
Sitting there, watch yours getting in, boss. I'm gonna buckle this up now just because it looks like it's loose still. One of those stupid ones that might set off an alarm. There we go. You see which house they went in?
Yeah, I got all their info. They're just going to get shoes on. They just wanted their property back. They don't. I said I would still take a criminal damaging report for the scratching and stuff, and you can go to the property and everything.
He said he's got a pipe in that bag. He's not sure if it's broken or not. That's what he told me.